Home Minister Amit Shah launched the Bharat Portal developed by the Central Bureau of Investigation in New Delhi today. Union Health Secretary Punya Salila Srivastava has emphasized that there is no cause for concern for the public from the human metapneumovirus HMPV. MOSPMO Dr. Jitendra Singh hails inauguration of Jammu Railway Division as historic milestone. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari urged elders to speak about road safety with children in family. Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change Kirti Vardhan Singh reviews preparation for World Wetlands Day.